Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable and enable data roaming on cellular. Let's go back to the beginning. You're going for settings and then cellular and then cellular data option. Here you can see data roaming. You can enable and disable. This is good for when you're traveling, so you don't want to use your data or to get more charge. Like some countries you didn't activate for the data roaming, so you better to disable this option, so not to be charged more, not be charged more for your on your receipt. So this is all for today. See you next time.